Okay. We're also going to go over question number 6. It seems like every time we show these or we work on these practice problems, I have a question with number 6. And a lot of it's just because of the scientific notation that is right there. So the question reads, Lake Michigan holds 1.3 times 10 to the 15 gallons of water. How many liters is this? So we have only one number. That's going to be that right there, and that's going to be gallons of water. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the first one. Now I'm going to use GA for gallons. So we're just going to, actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to repaste it down here. So we're going to paste that right there. That's what we're going to start off with. And then we're going to put our multiplication sign and our line. And I'm going to sneak right back up underneath that. And we're going to put gallons on bottom. So do you know the conversion factor for gallons and liters? Again, I don't. It's going to be around 4 because a liter is about a quart, but I don't know exactly what it is. So how do we figure it out again? Well, we go to our chemistry packet. That's right. So we're going to click to our chemistry packet. We're going to go ahead and look at for gallons. Well, this time I'm going to have to go all the way down here to volume. So I have liters and quart. That's not what I need. I have gallons and liters. And I said it was around 3.785. That's pretty darn close. So again, the way it's read, 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters. So let's go ahead and go back to the problem. Since I have gallons up here, we're going to put that on the bottom. So we're going to put 1 gallon. Ooh. Oh, if I could see it, 1 gallon on the bottom. And what did we say this was? 3.785. And that's going to be liters. So we'll get rid of this. And get rid of that. And we're just going to underline that. And we're going to double check this number. Always want to double check everything that we do. Pull that back. Look down at 3.785. 3.785. So that's correct. Now, before we go ahead and answer the question and use the calculator, we're going to go ahead and get rid of what we can hear here. So I have gallons right here, so we can get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to strike through that. We're going to strike through this also. And I'm left with liters. Is that what the question was asking for? Well, yes, it was asking for liters. So how many liters is that? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this 1.3 times 3.785, divide that by 1, and then we're going to add this at the end. We don't have to divide it by 1 because, again, 1 is a number that doesn't change anything. So we're going to pull that up, and we're going to go ahead and put our 1.3. Now, I could use the scientific calculator. If you have that, that's fine. I don't have that, so what I'm going to do is take this number, and I'm going to multiply it by 3.785. Oh, excuse me. 1.3, and we're going to multiply that by 3.785. And what do we equal? 4.9205. So we're going to take that number, and we're going to put it right here, 4.9205. So we're going to put 4.9205. And then we're going to put times 10 to the 15th. And I think the easiest way for me is just go ahead and copy that. And we're going to put that right there. Paste. Okay. And one thing we do have to worry about is what is the unit? The unit that left over was liters. Okay. Now let's look at the original problem. The original problem, and look at how many significant figures. It only had 2 significant figures. So my answer can only have 2. So I'm going to put my line right there. The 2 says we do what? We drop it off. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to put that equals 4.9. We dropped everything off times 10 to the 15 liters. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that again and put that right there. And does the answer make sense? Yeah. 4 times 1.3, a little over 4. Yep. It's about that question right there. So all we have to do is go ahead and highlight that in our yellow so we know that that is our correct answer. There we go. That's how to do question number 6. Again, good luck with the rest of them. I have a few other ones that I might help out with, but again, you should always do them first on your own, because remember, this is not about you being able to get the answer from me. I help you with the answers. It's you being able to figure it out yourself. So we have our assessment. You're ready to go. Good luck. Great day to be a Mohawk.